Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to automate YouTube uploads 2025, a complete workthrough. So guys, uploading to YouTube every single day can feel overwhelming, but what if you could automate it? In this video, I'll be showing you how to automate your YouTube uploads in 2025 so you can save time and stay consistent. All right, so how do you go about automation and why would you even want to automate? Well, automation saves you hours on manual work. It keeps you consistent even when you're busy, and it lets you focus on content creation, not competitive tasks. So those are the little things you need to look out for as to reasons why you would need to automate. And how can you now automate your YouTube uploads? It's quite simple to accomplish this task as it's as easy as just logging onto YouTube Studios. So that's the first place we'll be opening up. Simply search for studios.youtube.com and make sure you log on to the channel you either manage or the channel you edit. All right, so now once you're here on the dashboard, in order to automate, because automation really helps with keeping track on your schedules, keeping to time, making sure the content gets out at the right time with and for the right audience as well. So, in order to automate processes like that on YouTube, you could go through the manual process and then I'll be showing you the automatic process. So, the manual process is using the built in YouTube scheduling. All you need to do is log on to studio.youtube.com, simply head over to create. So, click on create here and then simply select upload videos. So select the upload videos option and simply click on select file. Now in your select files, just go through and select the files you'd like to upload. Let's go with this and then click on open. And now it's going to begin uploading your file to YouTube. Now, all you need to do here is in terms of automation is for your details, just make sure you've checked out the details of the video, like the title, the description. This was automated. This is automated. I believe you can simply add this to your descriptions, and then you can simply turn on the option to reuse details. So you could simply turn on this option and simply reuse your details from other videos you've done, which is what is currently being applied to this video here. And then for thumbnails, you'd have to manually select the thumbnail you want to use. And then once you're done, you can select the playlist or the audience. So some of these have to be set up manually, as without having this set up, you would struggle when it comes to proper automation. So this is still the manual automation. What you're going to be doing here is basically picking a date and time for, scheduling. So all you need to do this is head over to visibility, is at the back, and then simply scroll and select public. Everyone can watch your video. And then where we have schedule, go ahead and click on schedule, and then you can now simply schedule this video. You could set up a date when this video should be uploaded automatically. You can now set up something like this and then simply select the time zone and then simply click on schedule once you're done. And that's it. You've automatically set up this video to be scheduled at a certain time and date, which it would automatically schedule without any intervention from you. Now, basically, you can do this as a batch upload for up to 5 to 10 videos at once and then schedule them for weeks ahead. That's basically how the built-in YouTube schedule option works. Just simply click on create, click on upload, move from details to visibility, scroll through and select your schedule and make sure you schedule it as public. And then all you need to do at the end is just click on schedule and you're done. All right, let's go ahead and cancel this. Now, the other method of, automation is by using automation tools. So we have a couple of automation tools you can use, like Zapier. Zapier is a tool you can use for automation. You can find it on zapier.com. Another tool you could use is TubeBuddy. Now, explaining Zapier, basically all you do on Zapier is simply connect your Google Drive to your YouTube account, and then whenever you drop a video in your drive, it automatically uploads to your channel. And with TubeBuddy, all you need to do is just bulk upload templates or tags and descriptions, and it kind of like does the same thing. You can see it here, TubeBuddy. It's a YouTube search engine optimization and growth tool for users. Boost your YouTube growth with TubeBuddy, powerful SEO, keyword, and thumbnail tools used by millions of creators. Start growing today. You can also have it as a Chrome extension on your computer. All right, so now I'm going to be going into depth with Zapier. So now all you need to do for Zapier is log on to zapier.com. You can see it's the most connected AI orchestration platform. Build and ship AI workflows in minutes. No IT bottlenecks, no complexity, just results. And you can simply start with your free option instead of making use of their paid options. Now, we do have a workflow or an example of a workflow here. You can see it's an AI workflow, catch hook, find person, split into path, lead nurture, just a couple of stuff that kind of like showcase what you should expect with Zapier. All right, so now let's go ahead and sign up for Zapier. So click on the sign up option here and you're taken to Zapier sign up. Go ahead and sign up. So I'm going to be skipping this process and showing you what comes next. All right, and on the next page, you can find here it says AI automation starts and scales with Zapier. Orchestrate AI across your teams, tools, and processes. Turn ideas into automated action. Integrate over 8,000 applications in 300 AI tools without code. Build AI powered workflows in minutes, not weeks. 14-day trial of all premium features and apps. That's quite interesting. I guess these are their partners. They partnered with Meta, Okta, and HP, and Samsung as well. All right, so now enter your password and simply click on Get Started for free, and I'll show you what comes up next. Right. And on the next page, you're asked what's your role. So just go ahead and select a role. You could go with project management, engineering, sales up, marketing. I'm just going to go with business owner as I own my business. Now click on this option and it says here, what's the size of your company? Go ahead and select 1 to 49. Top apps for business owners. We have Stripe, ChatGPT, Google Sheets, let's just select Google Drive and click on continue, as this is what we're going to be using to upload our videos and then automate it using Zapier to our YouTube channel. So it says here, what would you like to automate? We have Copilot, that's basically an AI. Enter an idea or app name to get started. All you need to do here, this is the proper dashboard of Zapier. So all you need to do now is simply head over to Zaps. So click on Zaps. And once you're here, go ahead and click on create a Zap. You could use the upgraded version of Zapier, but we're going to be using a free option. So click on create Zap. All right, so once you're on here, once you're on the Zap menu, this is basically a drag and drop kind of builder. So all you need to do is for action, go ahead and select Google Drive. So Google Drive is the tool we're going to be using. Make sure it's Google Drive. You can simply change it to something else. So it says here, select the events, setup, and then test. So we have app. Basically, it kind of explains what the app is made for or what you're meant to do. We're going with Google Drive, and then the event it's meant to trigger. So new file triggers when any new file is added inside of a folder. New file in folder triggers when a new file is created within, moved to, or uploaded directly to a specific folder. You can optionally include files from its subfolders. So let's just go ahead and select new file. So when the new file is uploaded, and then go ahead and sign into your Google account. So go ahead and sign into your Google Drive. I'm just going to simply skip this process. All right, so once you've signed in, you're going to be asked by Zap to give it access to your email account. So go ahead and give it access and then simply click on continue. Now, we're done with the setup. For the configuration, select the drive you'd like to use. Let's just go with my Google Drive and then click on continue. And now you can simply test it. So to confirm your trigger is set up correctly, we'll find a recent file in your account. So go ahead and click on test trigger to simply test the files. And you kind of get to see the file, which is this, and then continue with selected record. All right, and you can now select a new app. All right, so now on to the next one, we have action. So what action should be performed for this connected Google Drive? Click on the Actions tab and simply select YouTube. So once you selected YouTube, what action is to take place? Go ahead and select Upload Video. So we have a couple of actions like Upload Video Thumbnail. Go ahead and select Upload Video. I don't think you can add up to 2, but you can add up to 3. Just go ahead and select upload video and then connect your YouTube account. So go ahead and sign into your YouTube account and I'll show you what comes next. All right, and your next step is to click and continue. So YouTube is a secure partner with Zapier, so everything is encrypted. You don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so YouTube imposes quotas for API. The maximum file size for an upload is 256 gigabytes. All right, so title. We have enter text or insert data, description, and then video. So I believe you can simply add all of this from a new file in YouTube. Okay, so for your title, go ahead and click on the plus and then simply select new file in Google Drive. So that is what we're going to be going with. So let's just go ahead and select any new file we found on YouTube in the drive. All right, let's go with this. That's the title. And then for description, you can get the description again by simply scrolling and selecting the description. So let's just use this as the description of the video. All right, once you've selected the description and then the main video itself, all you need to do is click on plus and go with the main video itself, which is this, and then click on next. And now you can simply click on this, and then you can also, all right guys, so once you've entered the video, the description, and the title, which are all gotten from the YouTube drive, you can simply enter the thumbnail if it's also on the Google Drive. And then the privacy status can be set as well if you want it public or private. And then your next step would be to enter the simple your next step will be to enter the publish. So when do you want it published? You can now select the date on your calendar at which you would want it published and simply click on continue. So once you've entered all your desired preferences, go ahead and simply click on test. All right, so it's an uploaded video was sent to YouTube 1 second ago. And now that is how you can simply automate your processes and then simply click on publish and it's done. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.